VoiceInteraction has been a benchmark in the field of speech processing technologies since 2008. Founded by a team of pioneering academics, researchers, and experts in the field, we have made significant developments and breakthroughs in the areas of speech recognition, natural language processing, translation, dialogue systems, and speech synthesis. In the near future, speech will be the primary means of access to all equipment and systems. Today, this vision makes us pioneers in responding to multiple issues in the broadcast market, administrative modernization, and contact centers. Over the last decade, VoiceInteraction has been developing its proprietary recognition engine, Automus. Its evolution has been constant, and it allows for highly customizable speech processing tasks in real time, as well as in the post-recording workflows in more than 25 languages. With its genesis in classical methodologies, the addition of support for deep neural networks, the significant increase in available data, and the maximization of processing capacity allow us to offer high-quality results in various usage scenarios. Our R&D department has focused its attention on a variety of issues in the fields of natural language processing and analysis. A semantic analysis of the content is performed during each recognition task, making it possible to create and enrich textual results with relevant metadata. In addition to identifying speech and noise segments, it is possible to detect music zones, all of which are the result of segmented classification algorithm that also allows the detection of specific acoustic events, such as explosions, gunshots, applause, and laughter. We now have more than 25 languages developed internally, whose evolution in terms of data volume and quality of transcribed materials allows us to present results in multiple business areas when the technology is applied in practice. Not only can we process audio to text in these languages, but we can also infer which language is being spoken. This identification, which is done automatically, allows us to generate transcripts in situations where the participants communicate using one or more languages in the same media file. During automatic processing, there are different modules at work. With support from machine learning algorithms and probabilistic models trained with a vast set of data, it is possible to segment and enrich textual content with relevant metadata. One of the aspects of this parallel analysis is speaker analysis. In addition to identifying the different speech turns, it is possible to identify and name the active speaker when there is a model pre-created to that effect. As we have already seen, it is possible to identify the language, but not only that. Gender can also be suggested via an analysis of the acoustic parameters of the audio. In the case of multiple speakers, a unique identifier is given to each one so that they can be distinguished from the others, which automatically segments the content. Using this segmentation, it is possible to automatically extract information from the result of the recognition process. Natural language processing algorithms can recognize all of the named entities present in the text, specifying the most relevant keywords, collective entities, people, and locations. This knowledge allows us to indicate the dominant topics in each segmented zone from a wide range of classification subjects. This is especially relevant in news programs, where it is possible to indicate the main topics discussed by annotating relevant words, people, locations, or entities, as well as whether the topic in question is politics, society, sports, or culture, among others. In parallel to all these metadata analysis and enrichment processes, it is possible to translate the original result into another language as it is being generated. The ability to perform this kind of transformation locally without access to cloud platforms has been one of our biggest recent challenges. To achieve high-quality results, our recognition models are derived from thousands of hours of manually transcribed data and can recognize any speaker without prior training. VoiceInteraction is completely independent during this process as we collect, transcribe, and manage this entire process internally. The introduction of data provided by our customers in this constant self-learning flow has always been one of our biggest challenges, and now it is a reality. It is our mission to create operating environments controlled and managed by those who own them, without this implying the stagnation of results, models, or platforms. The flexibility of installing all systems exclusively within the customer's infrastructure is the foundation of our technology. Subscribe to our channels to stay informed about our solutions, scientific development cycles, and all the latest company news.